Do you know why you are here? It's a wine. Yeah. Like vlogging. You're currently doing a video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I owe you guys a lot of explanation why I've been off for like I think 2 months or 1 month. I don't even know. Today seemed very windy and I don't know if it's going to rain, but I just pray that the God of water don't make it fall because I'm using my phone. I'm really grateful for what have been happening to my life. Things happened that made me not to even think of YouTube for a while. I'm happy now and I'm okay with the situation I am in. It's crazy because the wind just stopped and it's like the wind is listening to what I'm saying. It was February, my phone was stolen and that phone was like the source of joy. Like I really didn't know how to edit with laptop, so it was my phone I was using to edit my videos and I was like, damn, what's up? Oh my god, my phone is stolen. Yeah, I was like that. But then I don't know, a few weeks, I think the next week I got a new phone. Even though sometimes things doesn't go the way I plan, it's still cool. There is no need to rush. So that's how we're even talking about again. Oh yeah, this vlog.
Much later.
Like it's on fire, chuck it down low, like a black tire. All I do is fly high, something to aspire. Yeah, I live a high life, I'm not a liar. That's what the map is telling me. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, see, right cashew. Hey guys, so we are currently at the location. She'll be shooting a video today and I just want to vlog this. I don't even know why I'm wearing my face mask, but I just want to be extra safe. But eventually I will take off this mask. I had to take off my lashes because I couldn't see well and my eyes was really heavy. I don't know if I should give you guys a mini tour of how this place looks like, but this banana looks very healthy and big. It's really sweet. How dare
I look fine like this. I never knew. Oh, this shit. Damn.
Yeah. It's just that I won't touch the water like before. The last time I was here, I had itch, serious itch all over my body.
So here's how the flashback went. Earlier we went there for scouting and I saw this river. I wanted to feel it, like I literally wanted to lie down on it, but it gave me rashes and I will never forget that day. Thank you.
Till now though, why they argue about the fish, I'm just gonna look at this view. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm pretty sure that road leads to forest. Should we go? Yeah, I'm going. I'm a little bit scared, but I don't know. I just have this confidence that I will not die today. Alright, so let's go back. It's giving me this beachy sunny vibe, but the only problem here is there is no actual beach. It's actually a bush instead of a beach. For dressing, so stay tuned for dress number 1. I look awkward. I don't even like you too. So I'm doing a vlog. Say hi. Hi. This is 6-pack.
Karachi. Internet connection virus. My mom was like,
Hey with me. Don't do that. Trust me, video shoot is damn stressful. Shout out to all the artists out there who go through all the stress. Trust me, the makeup artist, the costume, the director, everyone. I mean, this is just my first time working in the music industry and I'm sweating and I'm so tired. Right now I'm going for an errand. They need more drawings and I have to go back to get the jewelry box. So I'll see you guys when I'm on my way down. I have a cup bag here and I'm on my way back. At this point I wish I could drive.
2,000 years later.
As a musician,
where are you going?
To Asoko.
never mess around with.
Last one, fast.
Ajo, hey!
bush. You enter bush. Enter bush. Under the number 3. Enter. Enter. Remember, small. Too free, no pressure. No. It did like 2 or 3 here. Measure. Go. Accelerator. Sorry. Come. Wrong again. We'll work again now.
While the second scene was going on, I was sharing balloons to the kids because I'm a good person, right?
So we are in our second location and
Third actually.
third. Yeah, we are in our third location.
Everything was going smooth until this happened. Since the rain ruined our shoot, we had to lodge and continue the next day.
Ignore that bag. The first thing you just notice is the TV. So it's more like a free space. Ignore that bag. A free space room, and then ignore that box and that bag and that shoe. But anyways, it's something simple. I don't even think it works. It's cute.
Day 2.
The first thing you notice is that hotel. And don't mind that person there. And don't mind this person too. So you see here, I don't know what this house is for, but yeah, cars are parked outside. And then I think this is the main hall. The one thing I'm admiring more is the beautiful garden over here. Like it's nice. And then you can tell that's someone's house because this is a typical village. Not 100%. Right now I'm just going to go and pack my things in the car. Zoom out of here because I cannot wait to zoom out of here. Wait, I haven't eaten. I don't know how to drive.
2 hours later.
Even abroad, the
We are in the location, and hopefully I'm going to be part of this scene here. I'm tired.
Oh,
Okay.
I love what you are wearing. Do a 360 for us. Hair did, makeup on fleek, all thanks to this girl right here. I'm already prepared while they're actually setting up for our next scene.
And we are in a different location. I'll be showing you guys this location. It seems too wide.
I smell cashew.
I smell cashew a lot. I'm in the zone. You're in the zone. It's my love, it's electric car.
Hey, conquer the electric drive. Electric.
So this is the last scene. I'm so grateful I'll be going home today.
Day 4.
Hey guys, so we are at the end of this video. I have finally concluded and have reason that today is the end of this vlog. No more vlog. Why am I being so dramatic with it? Give this video a big like if you love it, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Trust me, Ghana sun can be really hot. Like, I feel like this part of Ghana is really close to the sun. We are literally on fire. Can you imagine? I will see you when I see you. I'm going to miss you guys. I know, but definitely I'm coming back with a new vlog very soon. But I just feel like this is the longest vlog I have ever done. I guess I don't even know. Thank you, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye.